What can I expect in terms of tooling?
So you've got the main gang for your turning tools on the Bindle 1. You've got B-axes with 4 extra driven tools compared to the old machine, which is indexable. You've got the turret, you can work either end, and your back tooling for your sub-spindle.
Right, okay, so a couple of things there. I'm thinking slider, I'm thinking gang, B-axis, but you've got a turret in there as well.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Okay, and then the B-axis, fully simultaneous?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
So is there any limits on components you can make now?
Not really, no. So when we've got a new CAD software landing, that will really open doors for us to get some more complicated stuff on there, yeah.
In the background, control panel, HMI, human user interface, Mitsubishi control. How have you found the whole process?
Yeah, really good. I've not used Mitsubishi before, so obviously sliders are new. Mitsubishi, that's another new thing for me as well.
It's been a baptism of fire.
Yeah, no, that's fine. And touch screen, which is nice to use. Yeah, it's user friendly. I've gotten to grips with it quite quickly, really.
Oh, so nice and easy to use. Okay.
Congratulations on your purchase.
Thank you.
You made it back in February. So what was the reason behind going for this particular machine? Had you heard of them before?
I hadn't actually. I only heard of them about 18 months ago. I saw an article a colleague had put on LinkedIn, and I kind of just planted up here. And then when the opportunity came around for us to start looking at investing in a machine, I thought, okay, well, let's give Keyhung at Ward High Tech a go and see what we can come up with.
So this machine comes from Ward High Tech. Now, what kind of finance package do they offer?
Well, yeah, at the time I said to him I want a really good deal on this machine. In fact, I was buying 2 machines at the time, and I said, look, I want a really good deal from the point of view of the price, but also I want you to do me a deal so I can get them on the floor as quick as possible. So, they come up with a deal, buy now, pay later. They put the finance agreement together. They also allow me to pay the deposit over 3 stages, and on top of that, they allow me to delay the VAT payment. So, yeah, they were super flexible.
And a unique feature of this machine, it's quick cut.
Yeah, the quick cut is an additional axis of the head that lets it move by 30 millimeters in links, so along the length of the part. This is pretty unique because we can use it in 2 modes. The performance, where tube and head move at the same time, decreasing the cutting time per part and improving the performances of the machine. The second mode is the quality, where the tube is fixed and the head moves on top of the tube, decreasing the vibration on the material and improving the cutting precision and quality.
The inquiries have been very different to what they used to be, and that's something that they've really found is different. Not, I want a vertical, I want a lathe. It's been very much solutions, applications driven, as opposed to saying, I just want a box on my shop floor.
Yeah, I mean, our product range spans from 2-axis turning centres right through to multitasking integrates. That spans a whole variety of customer base. And all those customers are looking for solutions, and in many cases that has allowed us to use our application strength to help them find solutions, along with partners, and we've got many partners here this week from automation, tooling, fixturing, and the combination that we can bring to the party, I believe, is what customers are looking for.
We're here at GT Grinding in Oldham, and I'm about to meet a gentleman who posts daily on social media, and we'll find out why he is such a strong advocate for Walter machines.
Owner's new Iris range of machines, Dicing PDM. So this is the smallest machine in the range, which is 600 by 400 XY travel, and the range goes up to 3 meters in the X by 1500 in the Y. So
Mark, this story is very much about price and performance. The new QTE range from Mazak. Tell us about these models.
Well, it's exactly that, price and performance. So we've got an exceptional build quality, high specification for the customers, but an extremely attractive low price that I'm sure our customers are going to be interested in.
Some of the projects are involved with volatile materials. Okay, I can't explain exactly the material, but you can imagine what a volatile material is. So therefore, the machine tool has to change to accommodate the volatile material. And that often involves myself initially looking at the component and listening to the customer on what he's looking to achieve. And you've got to bear in mind that this supply of machine tool probably used to come years ago from a bespoke machine tool builder. And they have, and a lot of the customers we work with have had bespoke machine tools made for them, but they don't really deliver geo. There's, you know, a machine tool from the DMG Mery portfolio has had a very, very long period of research and development, so we know exactly how that product's going to respond.
Adam, do you watch MTD as well?
Yes, I do. I'm a big fan.
And what do you like about it?
It's great. It's just he's getting information about the latest machines, the latest equipment. Anyone that's really into it, well, what are you doing?
I think MTD gives a good opportunity to look what's going on within the industry that we're in, but also outside of the industry. What are other industries doing? What are other companies doing? What's new innovation that we can maybe look and see how can we bring that to our customers within Zeiss?